Hello everyone, if you are looking what is SEO and why it is important for me or my business, then you are on the right video. Welcome to Digital Dynamo Rohit, and this is the first lesson of the SEO course for beginners. And in this lesson I am going to discuss with you that what is SEO, what is actually SEO and why it is important for the business growth. So without wasting any time, let's start. SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. It is related to search engine. So we need to understand what search engine and how it works. Search engines are the kind of software which actually works on their own algorithms and provide rankings to website or social media pages based on their content quality and how much people are liking your content, how much they are staying on your website or your social media handle. So all these factors are included in the ranking positions. So SEO is basically the use of techniques and strategies that we are going to implement on the website, on your business, so that your website or your business listings or your social media handles, they will get higher ranks in the search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing. As you know, the importance is of first page positions, or top 3 positions are the most favorable positions of the search engines, because we are getting 75% of the traffic on these 3 positions and almost 90% of the traffic on the first page only. We have different types of SEO which I am going to discuss with you all in my later lessons. Let me give you the overview. First is on-page SEO. We are going to set the meta tags and whatever we will be doing on our website on the page is on-page SEO. Second type is off-page SEO, and whatever we are doing apart from the website is off-page SEO. Apart from the website means we have to fetch the external links for our website. I'm going to make a different lessons for on-page SEO and for off-page SEO, because I'm going to make a different lesson. We need to understand these things very deeply so that we can implement the strategies and resources properly to get the effective results. There is a technical SEO in which we will look out the technical things like mobile friendliness, website speed, and many things comes under technical SEO. I will discuss that as well. Then comes local SEO, in which Google My Business profiles have to be optimized. I will discuss those things also in later lessons. Now let's discuss how does this SEO helps to grow my business. First point is it will going to increase the website traffic. The SEO will definitely help to gain rankings for your website, and it will help to increase the website traffic. Naturally, the SEO will definitely give user a better experience on your website if you are aligning each and everything smoothly on your website. You are done with your on-page SEO, you are done with your off-page SEO, you are done with your technical SEO, then user experience is definitely going to improve after that. Third point is brand visibility and recognition. Brand visibility will definitely get improved after you apply SEO on your website, on your business, and recognition is also increased many folds after you apply the SEO on your website. Higher conversion rates is the fourth point. You will definitely going to get higher conversion rates if your website is having smooth navigation, if your website is having a quality content, if your website having a quality images, then user will stay for a long time and it will definitely going to increase the conversion rates. Fifth point is long-term results. SEO will provide you with the long-term results, and it is more cost effective than applying the paid ads on your website. Now let's discuss why SEO is crucial for a local business or small businesses. It will give a fair chance to compete with the higher brands, and as I said, SEO is a cost effective as compared to the traditional marketing. So this is it. What is SEO and why it is important for business growth? I hope you get the point. SEO is going to impact on your website for the long term, and by applying SEO you will going to strengthen the online success of your business. I hope you like the video, and my next lesson is going to be keyword research and analysis. This is the base of SEO. If you have any queries or you want to ask anything from me, you are always welcome to ask anything in the comment section. Please do not forget to like the video and also subscribe my channel for the useful SEO tips. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye bye. Meet you soon.